To assemble the device, you will need a flat-headed screwdriver. Your vacuum may come with the screw bolt pre-installed. If so, remove the screw bolt before inserting the handle assembly. Insert the handle assembly into the main body and secure into place with the screw bolt. Insert the end of the flexible hose into the vacuum cleaner by aligning the unlocked marks. Rotate until the marks align with the locked symbol. Run the flexible hose around the lower and upper hose storage positions and insert the flexible hose end into the top of the extension wand. For easy storage, insert the combination tool onto the accessory storage post. Wrap the power cord around the upper and lower storage hooks and secure the plug to the power cord when not in use.